And this is the pack of screw-in feet that you're going to get. It also comes with these pieces as well so that you can drive those right into your furniture. So I've got a big base plate right here for a piece of equipment, and I had some older ones that weren't really very good anymore and they're breaking, but these are perfect. So this is already threaded for me, so I don't need that piece on there unless I was going to use this for a piece of furniture. But these screw in very easily, and then I can adjust this base plate height as well. This is actually upside down. I'll flip that over, and then I can adjust the height of this plate if I have an uneven floor or something like that. And that's how that works. So they work perfectly. The 1/4-inch screw in and threaded. I think it's a number 20. The 1/4 and 20 is what it is. But this is a great pack. This is going to be very valuable for furniture and for some of these base plates that I have. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up a pack of these.